नीलाद्रौ शङ्खमध्ये शतदलकमले रत्नसिंहासनस्थं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तं नवघनरुचिरो संयुक्तं चाग्रजेन भद्रायं वामभागे रथचरणद्युति ब्रह्मरन्ध्रेन्दुसभ्यं देवानां शरमिषस्वजनपरिवृतं ब्रह्मदारो स्मरामि ब्रह्मदारो स्मरामि ब्रह्मदारो स्मरामि। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ। आप सभी को उत्कल दिवस का पवित्र संध्या में मेरे अंतर हृदय से उत्कलिका परिवार तरफ से आप सभी को स्वागत, बहुत बहुत स्वागत। हमारे प्रेसिडेंट चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स के मिस्टर आदित्य मालहोत्रा सर को हम थोड़ा सा लेट में मिले, लेकिन हम लोग सम्मानित नहीं कर पाए। अभी हम रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा प्रभात सर को बुके देके थोड़ा सा सम्मानित कर दिया जाए, बिकॉज इन्हीं के लिए हम लोग चैम्बर कॉमर्स आए हुए हैं। हम लोग आए हुए नहीं, हम लोग जगन्नाथ ही भेजे हैं हम लोग के पास, क्योंकि जगन्नाथ जगत का नाथ है, ये सब जानते हैं। तो इसीलिए आज मेरा सौभाग्य है, उत्कलिका परिवार के सभी मेंबर का सौभाग्य है, चैम्बर कॉमर्स ने हमको प्रोवाइड किए हैं, हम लोग उत्कल दिवस कर पा रहे हैं। तो मैं अभी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा गौतम सामल जी को। धन्यवाद मालहोत्रा साहब, धन्यवाद रथ साहब, क्लैप किया जाए। अभी मैं गौतम सामल जी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, हमारा जनरल सेक्रेटरी चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स रोहित अग्रवाल साहब को सम्मानित किया जाए। उत्कलिका परिवार तरफ से रोहित सर, टोकन ऑफ लॉ। औपचारिकता है, थोड़ा सा सभी सज्जन मंडली को मैं वेलकम कर रहा हूँ। रेस्पेक्टेड चीफ गेस्ट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर राजीव मनोहर, वाइस चांसलर DSPU रांची। गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर मिस्टर आदित्य मालहोत्रा, प्रेसिडेंट FJCCI रांची झारखंड। मिस्टर आशीष सतपथी, यंग इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट एंड सोशल वर्कर, कटक भुवनेश्वर। Invited guest Mr. Rohit Agrawal, General Secretary FJCCI. Mr. Shankar Dubey, Social Worker, Ranchi झारखंड। आप सभी को हृदय से प्रणाम और स्वागत है। On behalf of उत्कलिका रांची परिवार, I, Dr. Ashok Acharya, Secretary, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you all on this auspicious occasion of Utkal Divas, State Foundation Day of Odisha. We are truly honored by all of your gracious presence, which add great value and dignity of this celebration of Odisha rich culture, heritage and legacy. Thank you all for joining us and making this evening so special. We are deeply privileged to have with us today our esteemed chief guest, Professor Dr. Rajiv Manohar, Vice Chancellor DSPU Ranchi. He was earlier served as professor in the Department of Physics at Lucknow University. An accomplished academician, he has published more than 200 international papers and has been recognized as a Young Scientist Award from Indian Science Congress. Young researchers, your research not only expand knowledge but ignite curiosity, and your dedication to education is shaping future generation. Sir, his remarkable work and achievement have inspired many, and his gracious presence makes this evening more memorable. On behalf of Utkalika family members, I extend a warm and sincere welcome from core of my heart to our honorable chief guest. मैं सभी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा चीफ गेस्ट का प्रोफेसर राजीव मनोहर साहब का थोड़ा सा स्वागत किया जाए. Mr. Aditya Malhotra, President FJCCI, Ranchi, Jharkhand, a young, energetic, and visionary business leader in Jharkhand. So many friends from Odisha. Your leadership and vision have been truly inspiring, guiding everyone around you. I extend a special welcome to our guest of honor in this glorious evening. Sir, thank you for accepting our invitation. Mr. Ashish Satpathy, a young entrepreneur and social worker who has taken the responsibility not only changing life but also changing destinies. I am so deeply grateful for your guidance and support to Utkalika Ranchi time to time. Your belief to Utkalika Ranchi gave us a courage to push forward. It is my great honor to welcome you as a guest of honor in this evening of the State Foundation Day. Thank you for accepting our invitation. Mr. Rohit Agrawal, General Secretary of JCCI, very young, energetic, dynamic leader, business leader in Ranchi. I am truly grateful for your innovative spirit and determination. It is our great pleasure to welcome you as invited guest in this auspicious evening. Thank you, Agrawal sir, for accepting our invitation. Mr. Shankar Dubey sir, social worker in Ranchi, your commitment to helping others is truly commendable. Your hard work, empathy, and willingness to serve others are truly inspiring. It is my great honor to welcome you as an invited guest in this wonderful evening. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. सभी अतिथि वृंद को मेरा नमस्कार. थोड़ा सा उत्कलिका के बारे में 2-4 मिनट बताएंगे. उत्कलिका रांची is a socio-cultural organization reflect the unity, service, rich culture, heritage, Odia speaking people in Ranchi. It was established in 2018. The foundation stone laid by Honorable Governor Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Honorable members of Utkalika, Santosh Satpathy, former Principal Secretary to Governor, Dr. M.K. Senapati, Urologist, Vedanta Hospital, Aradhana Patnaik, Secretary to Central Government, Dadasha Mishra, DG Police Jharkhand, Mr. Hemant Das, Social Activist and Career Mantri of BJP, Professor P.K. Pradhan, Professor of Odia in Ranchi University, and more than 150 eminent members, personalities, carry the voice of Utkalika Ranchi among the society. Our objective, जन जन का सेवा, यही मेरा पूजा. जगन्नाथ संस्कृति को प्रचार प्रसार. And we are inspired by late Gopabandhu Das. मनुष्य जीवन नोई केवल वर्ष मास दिन दंड कर्मे जीवन कर्म एकातर जीवन मानदंड विशु मर देह एदेश माटी रे देशवासी चली जानतु पीठे. This belief inspired every member of Utkalika to serve society selflessly and wholeheartedly. We are committed to working in the field of health, education, social welfare, enrichment of Odia culture, language, Jagannath Chetana without any discrimination of caste, creed and community. Humanity remains at the core of every sphere of the society. Our key objective is strengthen our expand the Odia Shiksha Kendra. We are now working towards enriching the further by integrating Odia culture, handicraft and traditional knowledge so that the younger generation not only learn but also deeply connected to their roots. Another objective to spread Jagannath Chetana, Jagannath Tattva to promote purity, unity and a sense of humanity in the society. Utkalika Ranchi actively contribute to social welfare. We are organize blood donation camp, conduct painting, music competition among school children, extend help to the underprivileged by distributing cloth, blanket and foods. We also take pride in honoring individuals who have dedicated their lives in the service through the Utkal Vikas Samman Award in the field of education, health and social service. Today I would also like to expand humble request for stronger the collaboration between Utkalika and Federation of Chamber of Commerce Special. Today I would like to express humble appeal for stronger collaboration between Utkalika and Federation of Chamber of Commerce, especially in this area of culture, handicraft and trade, so that such effect can build meaningful connection and open a new avenue of growth. We look forward to your guidance in strengthening our initiative and vision. Let us continue to move forward together with dedication, unity and spirit of service. Thank you again to all family members of Utkalika and all the invited guests. Jai Jagannath. Vande Utkal Jagannath.